What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going over a very popular stock, FFAI, and we're going to answer the question, is the squeeze chance over? Did we see the final squeeze for FFAI? We're going to have the chart answer that question to see if it's likely or not. Remember, guys, this is not financial advice, just my technical analysis and my opinion based on what the chart is telling us. Let's get to it. And before I start this analysis, guys, just a quick note. There's a lot of hostility, I notice, and emotional reaction to the videos of meme stocks such as FFAI, GameStop, those caliber, even bigger popular stocks like Palantir, Neo, however you pronounce it. A lot of emotional and hostility towards that. If the people in the comments don't like, not just for my videos, for other videos, not like what is said in the video. So just a reminder, I am not biased toward these stocks at all. This is my analysis purely based on technicals and indicators. If your strategy is primarily just buy a stock based on hype and hope for a squeeze, sure, you can get lucky and hit a big squeeze, but that's not a trading strategy that you'll have long-term success with. And majority of the time, if you're just bag holding, you're going to have a red position in your portfolio, guys. And it's one that could ruin your portfolio because, you end up averaging down, stuff like that. My goal with this channel is to help teach trading technically and strategically. And if you're bag holding, you have to take accountability for your actions. Don't get emotional with the stock. You're the one clicking the buttons, and learn how to trade with a strategy and intention. So that being said, let's get to the stock, guys. So I'm going to put the drawings on and we'll go over the recap from my June 20th update. And very simple. We're not going to talk about price of the upside because that didn't happen. I said if we lose the support in this zone, the 28-cent zone, must recover quick. If not, we have potential support on these Fibonacci retracements based on this move, which was a total of, if you go to the 4-hour chart, about 61%. Nice clean Fibonacci move. This is just a rebound balance to close that gap. I don't count that. This is the last significant move, in my opinion. And you could see we had a little technical reaction off the 272, 13%, couple gap downs here below the levels. And technically, our next support is at 45 cents, guys. That I know a lot of people don't want to hear that, but let's talk about what's next. So obviously, if you have a position or you're following the stock closely, we had a 1 to 150 stock split, and since my last video, since that support, FFAI has lost a massive 88+%, guys, massive +%. And it was trading under 10 cents, so the stock split was necessary to abide by the NASDAQ regulations to get over $1. So the stock split was necessary, but that gives more room for the shorts to drive the price down if they really want to. But at the same time, it reduces the float of the stock. The float of the stock is now 2 million, which is very low, but there's more shares in the market if they dilute to tank the stock to the downside. If you do this math divided by 150, you get around 3 cents. The stock would be trading at 3 cents technically if the stock split didn't happen, guys. So keep that in mind. But when you do enough chart analysis and you study the market, as much as I've done, looking at a chart, whether it looks healthy or not for a squeeze or not. And I'll be honest with you guys, this does not look great to me. You could see there is a lot of red volume here. I briefly checked out Fintel. The short interest remained the same. It's about 17%, but something is definitely happening here. There was a SEC filing of 60 million convertible shares in notes. Basically, FFAI prepaid companies to raise capital, whenever, a couple months ago. If you guys have any more detailed information on that, please feel free to comment. But basically, they pay in shares, and now they can convert those shares at certain prices. So it doesn't mean all the shares at one time. So 60 million can get dumped into the market right away, but they convert them at certain prices. But you could see with this, 1.1 million, remember the float is 2 million, 1 million, all this red volume, either it is a big, heavy short interest coming in, or they're converting those shares. One or the other. It is not looking good for FFAI right now with this red volume coming in. That being said, if I turn the drawings off and we zoom out, we all know, from trading the stock, That's similar to what happened before we had this 10,000% squeeze back in the day. I forget when the day was. May of 2024, guys. Remember, got heavily shorted. It tanked. It was, I think, FFAI was trading just under 10 cents. You could see it happens again, and it had that 10,000% squeeze, guys. So I'm not saying it's not possible, but according to what I'm looking at in the chart now, it does not look great. And I'm not emotional with this stock, but I'm upset because I like trading FFAI. It was a very tradable stock. I've traded it multiple times. I've done well with this stock, but in my opinion, this is very difficult to trade at this moment because of this, ongoing short attack or delusion in the stock right now. And when that happens, your technicals aren't as accurate. You could see the RSI, even if we have a bullish divergence still in the weekly chart, you could see these huge red weekly candles. The RSI is at 7.65. Normally, if the stock wasn't getting diluted, that's as beat to death as it gets. You could see here, it was even lower than this over here, which was we had a nice reaction there. And like I said, this is very difficult to trade right now. In my opinion, not financial advice, I would wait to see what happens with this volume if you're not in a position right now, and maybe have some data. Technically, there would be next support at 45 cents. I know people don't want to hear that. Another, around 90% drop. But on the bright side, we do have these gaps to the upside. These which one? They are all pre-split, so be careful with that. But we do have some targets to the upside. These gaps could be also irrelevant if the delusion or the short attack is heavy enough. And remember, when that 10,000% squeeze happened, FFAI was, I think it was around 100% shorted. So, that's when it really exploded. The shorts had to cover 134% to the gap at 1079, 243% at 1580, and if we really get there, 439% to the gap at 24, around $25. I would say those are the only price targets I would be looking at right now. If the 4-hour chart, we retested the 4-hour 50 EMA, a couple 60%, 50% squeezes, just to retest the EMA lines. Nothing crazy, but I don't even want to get into the higher price targets right now. This red volume does not look good for me, guys. The market is also trading kind of sideways, not a ton of big squeezes in the market. The market seems to be losing a little momentum, maybe for a recoil rebound, consolidate a little bit. So maybe we'll see this play out a little bit. That's what I'm going to do. It's never a bad decision to wait on the sidelines, guys. But in my opinion, FFAI might have seen its last major squeeze. If it has to keep doing reverse stock splits, it's going to eventually get delisted, guys. I know you don't want to hear that. I'm just giving you what the chart is telling me. So keep that in mind. Let this play out if you don't have a position. Keep an eye on the volume. Keep an eye on the SEC filings, guys. And I will update if I find anything else. And if you have anything to add, SEC filing wise or delusion wise, please feel free to comment. That's my quick update on FFAI, guys. Stay blessed and have a great trading week.